Have you ever wondered how to turn your Super Bowl excitement into cash? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of the Super Bowl and the innovative tech of Google Gemini. Together, these two powerhouses can unlock new opportunities for you to make money online. With the right strategies and a dash of creativity, your Super Bowl experience could become a profitable venture. So stay tuned to discover how to hit the jackpot with the Super Bowl and Google Gemini. The Super Bowl isn't just about football, it's a goldmine of opportunities. It's an event that transcends the sports realm and enters the cultural zeitgeist, creating a multitude of ways to generate income online. One such method is through Super Bowl Squares, a game that's as much about chance as it is about the actual match. Here's how it works. You create a grid of 100 squares, each sold at a set price. The more you charge for a square, the higher the potential winnings. It's a fun, simple game that doesn't require any knowledge of football, so anyone can participate. This accessibility is what makes Super Bowl Squares such a lucrative venture. With a well-planned strategy, you can turn this game into a profitable business, and the best part is you don't need to be a football expert to succeed. With Super Bowl Squares, you don't need to know about football to win. Now let's talk about Google Gemini, Google's most advanced AI model. This isn't just any AI, it's been designed to understand and interact with a variety of data types, including text, images, audio, and video. Think of it as your digital assistant, always ready to lend a hand. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting your journey, Gemini can be your secret weapon. It can help you brainstorm new business ideas, develop engaging content, or even manage your Super Bowl Squares game. The possibilities are endless. With Google Gemini, you can turn your ideas into reality. Imagine the possibilities, from content creation to betting guides, and even organizing your own online Super Bowl Squares game. Google Gemini is more than just an AI, it's a tool that can help you make the most out of the 2024 Super Bowl. So, let's put on our thinking caps and get creative with Google Gemini. Now it's time to merge these two powerhouses, the Super Bowl and Google Gemini. You might be wondering how these two seemingly disparate entities can come together to create a profitable venture. Well, the beauty of this blend lies in the fusion of sports enthusiasm and advanced technology. Firstly, consider content creation. Google Gemini, with its ability to interact with multiple data types, can be a powerful tool to generate engaging content about the Super Bowl. Imagine creating captivating blog posts, social media posts, or even YouTube videos enriched with data-driven insights from Gemini. The monetization of this content can be achieved through methods like ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing, bringing in a steady income stream. Secondly, think about the potential of betting guides. Super Bowl betting is a popular pastime, and many enthusiasts are always on the lookout for comprehensive guides to improve their chances. Google Gemini, with its advanced data analysis capabilities, can help create these guides. These guides could be sold online or used to drive traffic to your website, generating revenue either way. Lastly, let's talk about Super Bowl Squares. This is where the magic of the Super Bowl and Google Gemini truly shines. Organizing an online Super Bowl Squares game can be a lucrative venture. And guess what? Google Gemini can be your perfect assistant, managing the game, tracking the scores, and announcing the winners. It can even handle the financial transactions, making the process seamless and efficient. So as you can see, the fusion of the Super Bowl and Google Gemini opens up a world of opportunities. It's all about leveraging the excitement of the Super Bowl and the technological prowess of Google Gemini to create innovative money-making ventures. With the Super Bowl and Google Gemini, the possibilities are endless. So are you ready to score big with the Super Bowl and Google Gemini? To recap, the Super Bowl offers lucrative opportunities like squares, and Google Gemini, an advanced AI model, can help you tap into these. Whether it's through content creation, betting guides, or organizing an online Super Bowl Squares game, the possibilities are endless. Remember, the key is creativity and innovation. So start brainstorming and make the most out of the 2024 Super Bowl.